teardown of the Ishin, I think it's Seagull from Adam RC, in collaboration with Adam RC. Very interesting.
Likey